What's up, pilots and future aerial cinematographers? Let's be honest. The single biggest fear holding people back from buying a drone is the crash. That sickening sound of plastic on pavement. The scramble for warranty info. It's a nightmare. But what if I told you that crash-proof drones aren't science fiction anymore? Today, we're counting down the top 5 drones that are so smart, so well-protected, and so uniquely designed. They come as close as humanly possible to being impossible to crash. We're talking about drones with brains, cages, and features that virtually eliminate pilot error. And yes, every single one of these groundbreaking models is unique and available to order right now on Amazon. Let's take off. Number 5, the DJI Avata 2. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the DJI Avata 2. This isn't your grandfather's drone. It's an immersive FPV, first-person view, drone built for adrenaline and resilience. Its unique claim to near indestructibility comes from 2 features. First, its entire propulsion system is encased in a robust duct propeller guard. This isn't a flimsy accessory. It's integrated into the frame. You can literally bounce it off walls, trees, and even your own leg, and the guards absorb the impact, keeping the prop safe and the drone flying. But the real magic is turtle mode. If you do manage to land upside down, in a bush, on a roof, instead of being stuck, you simply activate turtle mode via the controller. The Avata 2 uses its powerful motors to flip itself right side up and take off again. Combine this with DJI's best-in-class downward vision sensors for stable indoor hovering and an intuitive motion controller that makes complex flying feel natural. And you have a drone that encourages daring flight with a built-in safety net. It's designed to survive the learning curve of immersive FPV. Number 4, the Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus. Coming in at number 4 is a compact drone with a professional-grade safety suit. The Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus equipped with their unique Dragonfish 360-degree propeller guards. These aren't just bumpers. They form a full spherical cage around the entire drone. You can fly this thing directly into a chain-link fence, a tree branch, or even let a curious kid grab it out of the air, and the props are completely isolated from harm. This makes it uniquely crash-proof for tight spaces, flying through open windows, under picnic tables, or in crowded environments where a standard drone would be instantly grounded. Paired with Autel's ultra-reliable 3-way obstacle sensing, forward, backward, and downward, and a return to home, RTH, function that uses vision and GPS to automatically find and fly back to its takeoff point if it loses signal. The caged EVO Nano Plus is a go-anywhere, touch-anything tool for creative shots that would give any other pilot a heart attack. Number 3, the Holystone HS720G. Landing at number 3 is the Holystone HS720G, which brings a level of artificial intelligence to the sub-$500 price point that makes crashing from a simple tracking shot a thing of the past. Its unique impossible-to-crash feature is its sophisticated AI auto-track and auto-avoid system. When you select a subject, a person on a bike, a running dog, your car, the drone doesn't just blindly follow. It uses its camera and sensors to map the environment. If the subject runs around a tree, the HS720G will smoothly arc around it, not smash into it. If they lead it toward a building, it will adjust its altitude or path to avoid a collision. For a beginner, this is a game changer. You can focus on getting the perfect action shot while the drone's brain handles the obstacle avoidance. With GPS-assisted flight stability, precise hover, and automatic RTH on low battery, this drone effectively pilots itself around the most common crash scenarios. Number 2, the Potensic Atom SE. Securing our runner-up spot is the Potensic Atom SE, a lightweight sub-250G drone that has been engineered from the ground up to be flyaway-proof. Its unique anti-crash technology is a triple-layered GPS security system. First, it won't even take off without a strong, multi-satellite GPS lock, ensuring it knows exactly where home is. Second, its hover stability is exceptional. Even in a gust of wind, it holds its position like it's nailed to the sky. Third, and most brilliantly, if you do somehow lose signal or connection, it doesn't just rise and return home. It first attempts to re-establish the link. If that fails, it executes a slow, controlled descent to a preset safe altitude, avoiding trees, returns directly above its home point, and descends gently. Furthermore, if it lands somewhere unexpected, its integrated Find My Drone feature makes the drone emit a loud, locatable beep from its built-in speaker. It's a drone that has multiple contingency plans to prevent both crashes and losses. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro with 360 degree. And finally, our number 1 drone that is virtually impossible to crash is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. This is the pinnacle of consumer drone autonomy and the closest thing to a drone with a guardian angel. Its unique, game-changing feature is true 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Sensors on the front, back, sides, top, and bottom create a full 3D map of its environment. This is powered by Advanced Pilot Assistance System 5.0, OPUS 5.0. In any flight mode, whether you're manually flying, using a tracking feature, or executing a quick shot, if the drone detects an obstacle, it doesn't just stop and beep. It autonomously plans and flies a smooth route around it in real time. Flying sideways toward a tree, it slides up and over. Backing up into a wall, it slides sideways. It also features waypoint flight, where you can pre-program a safe route on the map for it to fly perfectly every time. With its under 250 G weight, 4K per 60 frames per second camera, and 34-minute flight time, the Mini 4 Pro isn't just the most capable compact drone.